Let's be God, the Holy Spirit, and of myself. Let me decrease while you increase in me. Fully in Jesus' mighty name, amen. What's up? Um, I really wasn't planning on getting up here and doing no work today. Kind of resting. I'm exhausted. But for somebody, okay? It's like in the days of Noah, okay? When God told Noah that he wanted Noah to build an ark, okay? And he told Noah, he gave Noah all these directions, okay? All of these measurements and all of these cubits, okay? These cubits, and I forgot the other measurements, but you know what I'm saying, okay? Give him all the measurements to build the ark, okay? Because man was wicked, okay? Not just man, but remember in the days of Noah, there was a lot more going on, okay? There were giants running around, okay, that had started to eat people, right? Because the food that they were having the people feed them, was running out, running low, or it was, it was gone, it was low. And their hearts were evil, okay, continuously, okay, continuously, okay. He told Noah, build the ark, okay, and warn the people that the flood is coming. I'm going to send the flood, right? So Noah built the ark, okay. He warned the people. They mocked him, scoffed him, made fun of him, okay. And they were partying, marrying each other, drinking and being merry. 2:22 on my timer, okay. And wickedness just roamed the land, okay, like I said, continuously. The Lord has been warning your enemies, okay, that if they do not cease, okay, and desist, that he is going to send the flood to wipe them off the face of the earth. Now, this could be literal in your case. Well, in your case, but their case. Or it could be in another form, shape, or form. That's up to the Lord, right? But this is what the Lord is doing. He is sending the flood upon your enemies. Okay? You have been building. You have been building like the Lord has been telling you to build, okay? And these people have been mocking you, okay? They've been calling you crazy. They've been mocking you. They've been casting spells on you, curses. And you haven't done not one thing wrong to these people. Not one. You've actually tried to help them. You actually have helped them. You've done everything in your power that it is, that you know that it is to do within you to help. Right? As a matter of fact, you're the blessing. You were the blessing. You are the blessing. Right? The Lord is sending the flood upon and after your enemies. Okay? He is sending the flood. It rains on the just and the unjust. Okay? It's been raining on the just. That's over with. It's time for the unjust to have a little turn. Alright? Talk to y'all later. Romans 8:28. We know that all things work together for the good of them who love God and those who are called according to his purpose. Peace.